Yeah, hi guys. So in the second session, I would say last session we started the UI full stack web development. Last session we briefly give the introduction about the what does it mean by UI full stack web development, what does it mean UI full stack web development, and what are the technologies going forward we will discuss. So we already give the brief about the basic topics here. So here we bootstrap also, bootstrap as well, bootstrap as well. 4, 5, jQuery is the 6, and introduction or React.js, and eighth one is the Angular with the TypeScript. Okay, so we'll start session with today's session. Before going to start the HTML, we need to we need to aware the lot of things before going to start. We will note. I would say we need to learn a lot of things. So what are the lot of things? We'll see one by one. Like the first thing, we should know types of software applications available in the industry. Types of software applications. Types of software applications. So I will mention here today date and no date time 2024. Yeah. So today's session will start with the types of software application. Before going to start the HTML, we should aware the basic things. The basic things like what does it mean by some terminology will be there. We'll try to understand all the terminologies. We'll try to understand all the terminologies. Okay. The first thing should aware types of applications in the IT industry. What are the types of applications available in the IT industry? We'll try to understand. So types of applications. The first type of application is desktop applications. We'll see one by one like what does it mean by desktop applications, and we'll see one by one. First we can list out all the types of applications. First one is the desktop applications. Second one, web applications. Second one is the web applications. And third one, I would say distributed applications. Third one, I can say distributed applications. Distributed, I would say applications. Third one, distributed applications. Fourth one, fourth one, AI applications, artificial intelligence applications, artificial intelligence applications. And fifth one, IoT, Internet of Things applications. IoT applications, meaning Internet of Things applications. And sixth one, I would say mobile applications. Mobile applications. Mobile applications. And seventh one, I would say 2D and 3D gaming applications. 2D and 3D gaming applications. Gaming. So in the IT industry, these many applications we have in the IT industry. What are the software applications we have? Like desktop applications, web applications, and distributed applications, and AI applications. AI meaning artificial intelligence applications, and IoT, Internet of Things applications, mobile applications, 2D and 3D applications. These many applications we have. Like we'll try to understand what does where will we use the these kind of applications. We'll try to understand one by one. The basic thing, desktop applications meaning desktop application meaning the applications available under the in the desktop, meaning desktop native applications. For example, I will 1 second. I will take the no MS Paint. Through that, we'll go the MS Paint. We'll get the clarity. Once again, I'm connecting. my paint. Okay, I will open my MS Paint. So this is my MS Paint actually. Now my requirement is I have one hospital. My requirement, I will be having one hospital. This is my hospital actually. Then I would like to track the hospital details, like how many patients are coming to hospital, and how many like medicines are the sales information, and the doctors information. So everything I need to store somewhere. Where should I store somewhere? we need to use the we need to use the desktop applications. We need to use the desktop applications. This you can assume this is the hospital. This is the hospital actually. This is the hospital. In this hospital, we need to track like how many patients are coming to the hospital, how many patients are discharged today, and we need to track how many the medicines are consuming today. And so this kind of information we need to store. Where will you store? So the past days, they are maintained the books and all, but nowadays we are using the desktop applications like Notepad, Notepad, and I would say MS Word, MS Word, and so these kind of I would say applications. We can say these are the desktop applications, Notepad, MS Word. So through that, we can track the hospital information. Not only this purpose, so the basic scenario, a desktop application meaning the applications will be available in the desktop. They can with the help of those applications we can track the information of the details, like the whoever is coming to the hospital and whoever is going from the hospital, the details and all. Is there any examples for the desktop? Yes, we have the examples. Notepad, MS Word, MS Paint. These are the desktop examples. These are the desktop examples. Okay, okay. What does it mean by web applications? What does it mean by web applications? Okay, the same thing, the same example I will take. This is the one hospital. I will open this one. The same hospital I will take. 1 minute. I will expand my. Uh, I will take the black color. Okay. Now, the same example I am taking, web application meaning this is the one hospital. You can assume I have the hospitals in different locations. This hospital will be available in different location, and will be having one more hospital. This hospital is available in different location, and this hospital is available in different location, and I would say this hospital is available in different locations, different locations. So all the hospitals, I have the different hospitals. The hospitals are available in different locations, different locations, different locations. This is the hospital. This is the hospital two. This is the hospital two. This is the hospital three, and this is the hospital three, and this is the hospital four. So I want to track all the hospital details. Whoever is coming into the hospital, whoever is going from the hospital, I need to track all the hospital details. How can I track? How can I track? So if I have only one hospital, I can access with the only one system, with the help of notepad and with the help of ms word, like that. If I have the only one hospital, the through these applications I can able to track all the details. But I have the hospitals in different locations actually. This hospital might be in different location, this hospital might be in different location, this hospital might be in different locations. I want to track all the hospital details, like how many employees, meaning how many doctors will be there, and how many uh, like I would say patients are coming, and how many patients are going from the hospital. These kind, and sales, like medical, I would say medicine sales, like how much today sales, how much tomorrow. So everything I want to know, everything I want to know, and everything I want to like I want to update daily. So how will you get, how will you get, so you can, if you access with the one system, then you can say that is the desktop. But if you want to track the all the information, if you want to track all the hospital information, then we will go for the web application approach. web application approach Web application approach, like we'll clearly try to understand, like clearly, the briefly we can try to understand one by one. So now I would say I am like overally giving the introducing the overally applications. Desktop applications meaning desktop native applications. Web applications meaning we can access with the internet, we can access with the internet, we can access with the internet, we can access with the internet. Next thing, distributed applications. Distributed applications meaning this application can communicate with another applications. For example, in our mobile we'll be having the Zomato, and I would say phone pay, and you can take so these examples are the distributed applications. For example, if you take the IRTCT, what will happen, like for example, if you want to book the bus, or if you want to book train ticket, then what will happen, you want to book a train ticket from the phone pay, then what will happen, the phone pay will communicate with the IRTCT application, and then if there any seats available, then it will confirm the ticket, then it will confirm the ticket. Like the Zomato, whatever the applications you are using the mobile, those are not mobile applications, those are distributed applications, like Zomato, phone pay, Google pay, I would say there we have the Amazon, I would say those are not mobile applications, those are distributed applications. They will communicate it to other applications, and then only they will book the bus ticket, and they will book the train ticket and all. Whatever the applications we are using the mobile, those are not mobile applications, those all are those all are, I would say, distributed applications. Distributed applications, like Zomato, like Swiggy, and phone pay, comma Google Pay. These are not mobile applications, these all are distributed applications. Distributed applications, these all are distributed applications. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. After this, sorry, what does it mean by AI applications? AI applications mean artificial intelligence applications. Artificial intelligence applications, these are applications like in the will be having like Alexa, like Siri will be there. Like if you want to say something, then it will take the request, it process the request, and it will return the response. Like those are comes under the artificial intelligence. We'll be having in our phone also, will be having Alexa, Siri, and so such kind of applications we can say artificial intelligence applications. Artificial intelligence applications, Alexa, I would say Alexa, comma Siri, So these kind of applications comes under the artificial applications. Artificial applications. Next, Internet of Things applications. Internet of Things applications meaning we are wearing like smartwatches, and the smartwatch will calculate how many steps will you walk. It might be having some sensors. The some sensors will be take like how the person will walk, how many steps the person will walk today morning. So these kind of information they will provide. Um, the person weight, like smart watches. And if you observe in the traffic signals, uh, automatically some red light will be blink, and some green light will be blink. So these are the examples for the Internet of Things. These are the examples for the Internet of the Things. Internet of the Things, like smart watches. They will calculate, actually they will calculate. And I would say traffic lights. So they will calculate how many the steps the person walk in the morning, and it will tell the steps. And everything it will be calculate. It might be having the sensors. It will be having the sensors. The sensors will automatically detect, and it will give the like how many steps the person will walk. So this kind of information it will they will provide. IoT applications, they will provide IoT applications. They will provide IoT applications. Next, mobile applications. Mobile applications meaning mobile native applications. Mobile native applications meaning in the mobile, every mobile will be having the calendar, and some clock will be there. And so these kind of applications, mobile applications. Mobile native applications is called mobile applications, like a calendar. Every mobile will be having the calendar. I would say calendar will be having the clock. So default like mobile native applications are called mobile applications. Mobile native applications. Mobile native applications. Calendar, clock. So these are the mobile applications. These are the mobile applications. Next, next, 2D and 3D gaming applications. 2D and 3D gaming applications. These are examples. Will say, for example, like whenever you visit the some shopping malls, there some bikes will be there. If the kid will, I would say, ride the bike, some display will be display like how the bike is going, and how the kid is riding the bike. So you guys can observe in the shopping malls. If you go for the some shopping malls, like most of the shopping malls, some gaming equipments will be available there. The kids are using the gaming, I would say gaming, like the bike, the kid start the bike, everything, how the bike is, bike speed is going on. And so everything, the details will be displayed on the display. Like the gaming in the shopping malls, you can observe such kind of gaming application. Such kind of gaming application, 2D and 3D. So with the help of gaming applications, we can I would say uh, we can use the gaming applications. There you can observe the gaming equipments will be made up of, or they has developed with the 2D and 3D gaming applications. 2D and 3D gaming applications. 2D and 3D gaming applications. So these are the types of applications available in the IT industry. These are the types of applications available in the IT industry. IT industry. IT industry. So among those, in the front end part, in the front end part, we will learn we will learn these two only. We will learn these two only. Like how to will learn how to develop the web application, and how to develop the distributed applications. How to develop the web applications, and how to develop the distributed applications. Distributed applications. So this is all about types of software applications. We'll be having seven software applications. One is desktop applications, meaning desktop native applications like Notepad, MS Paint. I would say MS Word. These are comes under the desktop applications, and then web applications. Web applications we can access through the internet, and distributed applications, meaning one application will communicate with the another applications. Like in our mobile we'll be having the applications like Zomato, Swiggy. These are not mobile applications, these all are the distributed applications. These all are the distributed applications. The next thing, we'll be having the AI, artificial intelligence applications, meaning we are using some Alexa. Like if you want to some requirement, then you call to that, hey Alexa, on I want to this one, you can display. So this such kind of features will be available. Those we can call, those are comes under the artificial intelligence applications. Artificial intelligence applications. Next, Internet of Things applications. Internet of Things applications. Internet of Things applications. Like we'll be having the smartwatches, traffic lights. These are the examples for the. These are the examples for the Internet of Things applications. Next, mobile applications. We'll be having mobile applications, meaning mobile native applications like a calendar, clock. These are the examples for the mobile applications. Next, 2D and 3D gaming applications. In the shopping malls, we can observe. In the shopping malls, we can observe the kids are playing with the some bikes and all. Everything developed with the help of 2D and 3D gaming application. 2D and 3D gaming application. So the entire among those applications, we will develop web applications and distributed applications. We will develop web applications and distributed applications. Okay. So after that, we should aware some terminology. We should aware some terminology. Like we'll try to learn web applications. We'll try to learn some terminology. Like the first terminology is, what is network? What is network? What is network? So we should aware some terminology. What is network? Network meaning computer network comprises group of computers connecting with each other for sharing of information and devices. So I will write this one. Network comprises of group of computers connecting with each other for sharing the information and devices. For sharing the information and devices. So before, we should we should aware some terminology, like what does it mean by network and what does it mean by internet. So we should aware these terminologies. Network meaning network meaning computer network comprises of group of computers connecting with each other for sharing the information and devices. Information and devices. Actually, this word has introduced in 1960. Actually, 1960. Like the basic year, like the word and network has introduced in 1960. 1960. One lab will be there. That is the ARPANET. That is the ARPANET. I will show you ARPANET. This is the actually US company. US company. Then what does it mean by ARPANET meaning? Advanced Research Projects Agency Network. Research, I would say Projects Agency Network. Agency Network. So this is the one lab. So they has introduced the network in the year of 1960. In the year of 1960. In the year of 1960. Meaning the network meaning like a network having the group of computers connecting with each other for sharing the information and devices. Next we should aware of what does it mean by internet. What does it mean by internet? So this is a, what does it mean by internet? Internet meaning it is a wide area network. It is a wide area network. Wide area network that can be shared, that can be connect computers all over the world. That can be connect computers all over the world. Computers all over the world. All over the world. All over the world. So after that, we should aware of internet. What does it mean by internet? Internet meaning it is a wide area network that can connect computers all over the world. Under the internet, we should aware it will be categorized into three three types. One is the LAN. LAN meaning local area network, and second one is second one is I would say MAN. MAN meaning metropolitan MAN. This is the metropolitan area network, and third one I would say WAN meaning wide area network. WAN meaning wide area network. So network will be having three types: LAN, MAN, and WAN. LAN meaning local area network, MAN meaning metropolitan network. Uh, you can say this is the wide area network. This is the wide area network. This is the wide area network. Wide area network. And we should aware of what does it mean by web. So most of them are thinking internet and web both are same. No, that is not the correct way. Internet and web both are different actually. They both are different. Internet is the different, web is the different. Web is the small portion of the internet. Small portion of the internet. So I will tell the one real time example. Before like it has introduced in the year, it has in the year uh, in the year 1990s. 1990s, person named Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee. Tim Berners-Lee. He's the person. He's the person. He has introduced the concept of the web. He has introduced the concept of the web. Introduce. He has introduced the. He has introduced the concept of the web. Concept of the web. So basically, this is the small portion of the internet. This is the small portion. Both are different. So I will tell with the help of notepad. I will tell. 1 minute. Where is my pen? So for example, we'll be having some. I can take some countries. This is the one country. I would say this is the one country, and this is the one country, and this is the one country. This is the one country. Now, what I am doing? So this country is the India. Country is the India, and this country is the US, and this country is the, you can say, Canada. You can say Canada. Now, how will you like access all the countries? You can access all the countries with the internet. This is the internet actually. I will. This is the internet actually. I will take this one from here to here, and here to here, and here to here. So the entire thing is the network. So the entire thing is the internet. The entire thing is the internet. So in this internet, for example, if you take the India, India will be having its own web. India will be having its own web. I will take another color. India will be having its own web. India will be having its own web. And if you take the US, US will be having its own web, and UK will be having its own web, its own web. Basically, internet is the different, and web is the different. Web is the small portion of the web is the small portion of the web is the small portion of the internet. Web is the small portion of the internet. Web is the small portion of the internet. In the starting stage, in the starting stage, how this the term, and I would say web come into the picture, will be having the small story behind it. Will be having the small story behind it. I will try to explain the small story. Story meaning web story, how the web like come into the picture. So timbernously we'll be having the spiders. You guys can observe the spiders, not every home, some homes you can observe the spiders. The spiders will be having the webs like this. This is the spider. This is the spider, and the spider will be having the webs like this. I will The spider will be having the webs like this. uh, I would take like this. The spiders will be having the webs like this. Spider having the webs like this. Oh, spider will be having the webs like this. Once again, I will draw neatly. Then we will get the clarity. Will be having the spider webs like this. Spider webs like this. Spider webs like this. If you can observe, I'm writing like this. If you can observe the spider webs like this. The spider webs like this. This is the spider, and the spider webs like this. If you can this is the spider webs. It will be having the webs like this. It will be having the webs like this. Webs like this. And I will write one more diagram here. I will be write one more diagram here. This is the spider. The spider will be having uh, the spider will be having these are the webs basically. it will be having the webs like this. So diagram will be going here. This is the spider, and the spider will be having the vibes like this. This is the webs. This is the these are the webs. But what will happen? Sometimes these vibes might be cut. These might be cut. Then what will happen? What will happen whenever the line will be cut? That 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 vibration will goes to the that vibration will goes to the spider. That vibration will go to the spider, and then the spider will come to back. The spider will come to back, and the spider will try to reconstruct this line, reconstruct this line. So in the same way, so this is the like at the time of Tim Berners-Lee, the same, he got the thoughts like this. Then here in I would say in this scenario also, we'll be having the client. So client, what the client will do, client will send the request. Client will send the request. Client will just send the request, and will be having the server will return the response. Will be having the server will return the response. Server will return the response. Will be return the response. This is similar to spider. Actually, at the time of Tim Berners-Lee, like he will get the like spider thoughts, and then so basically, uh, like how the spider is doing, the same scenario will be happening uh, in the web also. Like we are sending the request with the help of the client. The sending the request will go to the spider. Then the spider will think like we'll be having some we need to fix some issue. Then the response will coming, and it will fix. Response will be coming, it will fix. So this is the small story about the web. This is the small story about the web. So today we have discussed, about types of software applications, and the terms we should aware some terms like, I would say, what does it mean by network, and what does it mean by internet, and what does it mean by web. What does it mean by web? So before going to start HTML, we need to learn lot of things. We need to learn lot of things. These are the we should aware. Okay. So that's it today session. We'll catch up in the next session. Anyone have any questions? So I will mention here any queries. Any queries?